Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in your career with LinkedIn Learning, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your LinkedIn account on your preferred device. Navigate to the LinkedIn Learning section from the main menu. If you're new, sign up for a free trial to access the courses. Browse through the extensive catalog to find a learning path that suits your career goals. Utilize the search bar to find specific topics or industry-related skills. Filter the results by skill level, duration, or topic as needed. Once you find a course that interests you, click on it for more details. Review the course description, duration, and instructor information. Click the Start Course button to begin. As you progress, take notes and engage with the course materials. Complete any quizzes or exercises to reinforce your learning. Track your progress within your LinkedIn profile to stay motivated. Consider applying what you learn in real-world projects or at your current job. After finishing a course, add it to your LinkedIn profile to showcase your new skills. Engage with the LinkedIn community by discussing what you've learned. Look for additional courses to continuously grow your skill set. Regularly update your learning goals based on industry trends. Stay proactive in seeking new content relevant to your career advancement. Leverage LinkedIn Learning certificates to enhance your resume. By investing time and effort into these courses, you set a foundation for career growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.